All right, you claim you were knocked out after the earthquake.
Yes, sir.
Don't bother calling me sir, it's not gonna matter.
Because you're gonna torture me anyway?
We don't work that way anymore. Now you just go to the darkest corner of the room.
Great.
How long were you unconscious?
Sun had set when I came to. There was a broadcast.
Were you out for 6 hours? 8? It's important.
Is that a train?
Try to focus on the question, please.
Yeah, I was still shaky as hell when I pulled myself out, so I don't know. It was dark.
Pulled yourself out. You were buried?
I did see something.
You just said it was dark and you were groggy.
Are you trying to get a rise out of me?
We're just along for the ride, Sergeant Blackburn. You're driving, for now.
If you say so.
So it was dark and you were groggy. You saw something after the quake. What was it?
On the other hand, I have a better idea. I let you choose. Choose. Choose what? Oh, come on. What is it? Live or die? Live or die, mister. Imshi!
Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression! The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers! Catastrophe help to all American soldiers! Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression! Come out in the open! Hiding will be seen as an act of aggression! The PLR is reaching out with catastrophe help to all American soldiers!
دیدی کجا رفتن؟ نمیتونن زیاد دور رفته باشن. دشمن اونجاست. من میرم پایین. بده اونجا تیر بزنی نکشی لامصبا
Motherfucker hands! Holy shit! Blackburn! Am I glad to see you? In about half an hour, this place is gonna be every fucking man for himself. Come on, let's get the fuck out of here. Misfit, this is Misfit 1-3. I think I'm almost back at the staging area. I don't know, this place looks real different without any frickin' buildings.
Do what you need to do. Ospreys are leaving in 5 mics.
I got the door, come on. Milnet was saying there's riots all over the fucking city. And get this, a coup in Iran. Sponsored by your friendly neighborhood PLR. got you, buddy.